Review 2.
Hello! How's everyone doing? Review 2 is what we will do today. We're going to review more double consonant words such as F blend, G blend, P blend, and DR and TR. First, you have a test. You're going to see 3 pictures and hear a word. You have to choose the right picture for the word.
Listen and choose the picture. Flag. The answer is this. Friend. Frog. Trip. Dress. Front. Prize. Fruit.
For the next part, you have to listen and choose the word. This test has no pictures. Are you ready to start?
Listen and choose the word you hear. Grape. The answer is this. Draw. Gray. Price. Train. Fly. Plan. Frog.
It's story time! In the story, you'll see some words you learned from lessons 5 to 8. Before we read, let's learn the word castle. This is a castle. A king, queen, prince, and princess live in a castle. Time to read the story. Get ready to begin.
The river flows. The prince sits on the side of the river. He eats the fruit on the plate. A green frog is on a trip. It is on the leaf on the water. It sees the prince. It gets off the leaf. The prince takes the frog to his castle. A big grape tree grows near the front gate. A flag is on the gate, too. They play in the castle. The frog says, "It's a good place to play." The prince becomes a friend of the frog.
Wow! You can read very well. The phonics story test is next.
Choose true or false. The prince swims in the river. Is it true or false? It is false. The prince sits on the side of the river. The frog is on the leaf on the water. Is it true or false? It is true. For this test, you will read the question and choose the right answer. Where is the grape tree? On the side of the river. Near the front gate of the castle. The answer is this.
How was your test? Was it easy for you? That's the end of Review 2. See you next time.